back here again for another video. And today I'm gonna be looking at a few customs that I've been working on. I've been up in an average take lately, so I would just show you. I just was up there a while. My few customs. I got the Ministry of Defense engine. This little truck. And my refurbished narrow gauge coaches, along with Cora. So yeah, first let's get on to the Ministry of Defense engine. He's made mostly from Lego. Well, the top is, and this is a Oliver bottom from like 2015. So yeah, I just simply took it all. I just took that and I just put Lego on it. There's a face. Yeah. I put the lamps right there. And yeah. Next one is, I've had them before. I haven't necessarily made videos about them, but I had them for like the longest time. They're right from Annie and Clarabelle. That's the first. And yeah. So yeah, I just simply repainted them. Gotta touch up this spot, but and the tan is, those were the same tan paint I used on Sam. Or cream, whatever. So yeah, I repainted the roofs. My original plan was to paint them white. I decided to make them make them gray. So yeah, and that's this Cora. This is made from a James tender from like 2015. So yeah, it's James tender wrapped with cardboard painted. There's the face. I'm not really too happy with the face. I might go back and redo it at some point. So yeah, and that's just one of these little. That's just one of the little trucks that I made. These are these like prototype trucks. My black's not done drying yet. These are like one of these prototype trucks that I just simply had. Or even like the slate trucks in real life, where they're really small compared to the engines. So yeah, this is a Thomas Mini's wheel set. Just wrapped in cardboard. And I put a take and play magnet on the front. I'm gonna put it on the back, but since I didn't have any much take and play magnets, take a place I can really take apart. See, it's a bit light, so it kind of has to save itself from just flopping around. That is what she said. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.